Yes, we are here with Devontaye Campbell of Mount Pleasant, recently called up to the Jamaica under 20 and senior team trial. Devontaye, you had a good game, but your team lost. What are your thoughts on your team's performance?
I thought we didn't want the game, like we weren't doing a lot of running, so we needed to push more to get the win, and it was just a bad day all around.
Okay, and I mean, like I said, hard day for you, hard day for your team. You're still up there in the table, though. What do you think you need to do and your team need to do to, start getting some wins under your belt?
We just need to review the game and look at where we went wrong and go back to the training ground and just focus on winning the next game.
All right, and how do you feel about being called up for the trials with the under 20 and the Jamaica senior teams?
And it's always a great feeling to play for your country. So it's a great feeling, it's a great experience and everything. So it's good.
All right. All right, so that's Devontaye Campbell. Devontaye, thank you. All the best for the rest of the season. Hope to see you one day done in the Jamaican colours.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.